Hi, I'm Nathan Johnson, Center Director and Associate Professor at Arizona State University. Our organization is committed to delivering public impact by powering the world with scalable solutions that deliver sustainable, resilient, and equitable energy for all. We have sponsored and mentored E4C Fellows in 2022 and 2023 on areas pertaining to universal energy access in Madagascar with a focus on clean cooking, mini-grid electrical system design, electrical equipment recovery and circularity to reduce waste and cost, and energy market design to improve low-cost and reliable energy. Our experience with the E4C Fellowship Program was incredibly positive, particularly in identifying capable and committed individuals from around the world that would otherwise not be able to access universities in the United States. Part of our team's culture is to recruit and train individuals that are representative of our global work, and this matches our desire to be globally engaged and to improve the innovation potential of our overall team, the project outcomes, while also building capacity locally.
Hi, I'm Dilraj. I am originally from India, but am presently based in Toronto, Canada. I am a sustainable investment consultant and was a fellow with Arizona State University in 2023. The E4C Fellowship opened doors for me in the field of sustainable development, an area that I'm very passionate about. It gave me an opportunity to collaborate with an organization that would utilize my research to realize positive change in the real world, which is something that boosted my professional development. My advice to current or future E4C Fellows would be to freely express their ideas and insights with their partner organizations, as it's often the most simplest of ideas that produce a breakthrough.